Hello, my name is Sophia. I live in New York, but today I am in Paris. I am so excited because I am visiting the Eiffel Tower. This is a dream come true for me. Ever since I was a little girl, I wanted to see the Eiffel Tower with my own eyes. Today, that dream is real. Remember, friends, if you want to improve your English, just listen and repeat. Listen carefully, repeat many times, and soon the words will feel natural. It really works. I arrive at the Eiffel Tower in the morning. The sun is shining, the sky is blue, and the air feels fresh. When I first see the tower, I stop walking for a moment. I look up and my eyes grow wide. The tower is taller than I imagined. It is strong, tall, and beautiful. I whisper to myself, "Wow, this is amazing." I walk closer and take pictures with my phone. Many tourists are around me. Some are taking selfies, some are laughing, and some are buying souvenirs. I hear different languages: French, English, Spanish, Chinese, and many more. The Eiffel Tower is not just a place in Paris, it is a place for the whole world. I decide to buy a ticket to go up. I stand in line. The line is long, but I do not mind. While waiting, I look at the iron structure of the tower. The details are wonderful. I imagine how Gustave Eiffel, the engineer, felt when the tower was built more than 100 years ago. Finally, it is my turn. I enter the elevator. My heart beats faster. The elevator moves up slowly, and I feel my ears pop as we rise higher. Through the glass, I see Paris below me. The buildings look smaller and smaller. My excitement grows. When I reach the first floor, I step out. The view is already beautiful. I see the River Seine shining like a silver ribbon. I see green parks, wide streets, and little cafes with people sitting outside. Paris looks peaceful and full of life. I walk around, take photos, and buy a small souvenir keychain in the gift shop. It is shaped like the Eiffel Tower. I smile because I know I will keep it forever. Next, I take the elevator again to the second floor. The view is even better here. I can see more of the city, and I recognize some landmarks, like the Arc de Triomphe and Notre Dame Cathedral. I stand near the rail, close my eyes, and breathe deeply. The wind touches my face. For a moment, I feel like I am flying above the city. I hear a family speaking English next to me. They are from Canada. We smile at each other and exchange a few words. They are also amazed by the tower. Meeting people from different countries makes me happy. It reminds me that travel connects us all. Finally, I go to the top floor, the summit. The elevator goes higher and higher until we reach the very top. My heart is racing. When I step out, I cannot believe my eyes. Paris stretches in every direction. The city looks endless. The Seine curves gently, and the streets cross like lines in a painting. The cars below look like toys, and the people look like little moving dots. I take a deep breath. This is the best view of my life, I say softly to myself. I spend a long time at the top. I take many photos, but I also put my phone away for a while. I want to simply look and remember. The tower is not only a building, it is a symbol of dreams, of love, and of Paris itself. After some time, I go down. On the ground, I walk around the tower. I sit on the grass of the Champ de Mars, the big park next to the tower. Families are having picnics, couples are holding hands, and children are running and laughing. I buy a crepe with Nutella from a small stand. It is warm, sweet, and delicious. I sit and eat slowly while looking at the tower. In the afternoon, I take a boat cruise on the River Seine. The boat moves gently on the water, and I see the Eiffel Tower again from a different angle. It looks even more magical when reflected in the water. I also see other beautiful buildings and bridges. The guide on the boat speaks in French and English, and I listen carefully, learning new facts about Paris. When the boat ride ends, I walk along the streets near the tower. I enter a small cafe and order a coffee and a croissant. The waiter greets me with a smile. I sit by the window and watch people passing by. Paris feels warm and alive, even though I am far from New York. As the evening comes, the Eiffel Tower begins to sparkle with golden lights. At night, it shines even brighter. People gather to watch the light show. I stand among them, my heart full of joy. The tower glitters like a star in the heart of the city. I stay for a while, watching the lights. Then I realize it is time to go home. I take the metro back to the apartment I rented in Paris. On the way, I look at the pictures on my phone and smile. When I finally arrive home, I feel tired but very happy. I sit on the bed and whisper, "Today was one of the best days of my life." Before I sleep, I think about how lucky I am. I came all the way from New York to Paris. I saw the Eiffel Tower with my own eyes. I will never forget this day. And so my day ends with a heart full of memories, a smile on my face, and a dream that came true.